So let's go ahead and let's talk about radio frequencies. This chart up on the screen right here, this is, well, it's the United States Frequency Allocations chart. That's why it says it right there. This is showing where the United States government regulates the use of all radio frequencies out there from 15 kilohertz up to 300 gigahertz. Every one of those little lines, every one of those little dots on that chart represents another thing that has a regulation. As you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of different regulations. When manufacturers go out and they create something, it has to live in a specific area. I'll give you some examples. AM radio, I've got a cheat sheet right here. AM radio has to live in the 535 kilohertz up to 1.7 megahertz range. FM radio is 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. Shortwave radio, 5.9 megahertz to 26.1 megahertz. Citizens band radios, CB radios, we all think of them probably as channel 19, channel 14, channel 7, things like that. But they actually live in the 26.96 megahertz to 27.41 megahertz range. A very, very, very small range of signals that a citizens band radio can live in. Now here's the big secret. Bad guys do not always follow the United States federal guidelines.